Hello students, energy are always unidirectional. एनर्जी जो है ये हमेशा यूनिडायरेक्शनल होगी. इट मीन्स एनर्जी फ्लो ओनली वन डायरेक्शन. इट मीन्स in every ecosystem the producers are present at the lower side. So energy, these are consumers. These are three type of consumers. These all are consumers. These are primary consumer, secondary consumer and tertiary consumer. Primary consumer, secondary consumer and tertiary consumer. And these are the producers. It means the energy which are received producer by the sun. Energy which are received producer from the sun, they never return these energies to the sun. The energy which are received by the plant, they never return these energies. Only receive the energy. Only receive the energy from sun to the producer. Never return this energy to the sun. And like that, the primary consumer which are receive energy to the producer, they are not return this energy to the producer. And as like that, the secondary consumer which are receive energy from the primary consumer, they not have the capability to return this energy to the primary consumer. As like same, in tertiary consumer never return the energy to the secondary consumer. It means energy always go in unidirectional, from producer to primary consumer to secondary consumer to top consumer. Okay? And our last topic is biomagnification. Our last topic is biomagnification, most important topic. So listen carefully, every student. What is biomagnification? What is biomagnification? Students, listen carefully. What is a biomagnification? There are some toxic, non-biodegradable compounds which are used into for insecticides, for the killing of insect and prevent their crop. Insecticide, fungicide. These are some non-biodegradable toxic substances which are frequently used by the farmer into their crop for preventing their crops from insect and other pests. So these are used. Example is pesticide, insecticide. These pesticide and insecticide, when sprayed on the plant, after some time they wash and fall into the ground or into the aquatic medium or water. These non-biodegradable toxic substances mixed into the soil and mixed into the water. After some time, when plants are grow, they are take these non-biodegradable toxic substances received from water with the water and mineral. They receive their toxic substance, and when these toxic substances enter in the plant, you know that plants are base of any ecosystem. When these toxic substances are enter in a plant, it means they enter in a ecosystem. It means they enter in a ecosystem. And these are also go from plant to the consumer because these are the producers, and also go in secondary consumer and tertiary consumer or top consumer. So these toxic substances are when enter in a plant. These are consumers. When these toxic substances enter into the plant, into the, suppose that these are the forest ecosystem or grassland ecosystem, forest ecosystem. When these toxic substances are, we take the example of pond ecosystem. Okay, best example pond ecosystem or aquatic ecosystem. Pond ecosystem, plant are better term use the aquatic plant. Aquatic plant. Okay. When these toxic substances enter into the aquatic plant, it means they enter into the ecosystem. How? Listen carefully. Suppose that these toxic substances are 0.001 ppm part per million. You know that these consumers are also dependent on the aquatic plant. So these percentage of toxic substance further increases in primary consumer. Suppose that these are the 0.01 ppm part per million, and as like that increases into the secondary consumer. Suppose that 0.1 ppm, and at the top consumer 1 ppm, 1 part per million into the top consumer. It means when toxic substance enter in an ecosystem, which are the mostly affected by these toxic substances, toxic non-biodegradable substances, top consumer. Always top consumer have the more concentration of toxic substances or these non-biodegradable substances accumulated, and human beings are mostly affected. Human beings are mostly affected by the toxic substances. Why? Because at the top level, consumer are human beings. You know that into the many newspapers are published many synthesis food which are synthesized into many industry. Many times published in newspaper, these food are banned due to the presence of more than a normal range to toxic substance in these substances. And one more thing, sometimes some crop products, for example wheat and rice, are also banned when transfer from one country to another country is banned due to the presence of a higher range from a normal level to these toxic substances are present in these grains. So these foods are banned. Okay. Okay, students. So what is the definition of biomagnification? Gradual increase of non-biodegradable toxic substance at different trophic levels is known as biomagnification. Gradual increases of non-biodegradable toxic substances at the different trophic level is known as biomagnification. Thank you, students.